going to the masjid as well as Salatul Jummuah out of fear of the coronavirus. Alhamdulillah wa salatu salam ala Rasulillah. The American Muslim Jurists Association released a statement regarding the coronavirus that revolves around a number of points. Number one, it's not permissible for a masjid to suspend the daily prayers or Salatul Jummu'ah unless there is a local health advisory. If that is the case, then masajid should comply. It is, however, permissible for them to demand of those who have flu-like symptoms that they wear surgical masks or that they pray in a particular area of the masjid, that they have a room for them to worship in. As for the individual, then there are a number of factors that dictate whether that person should go to the masjid or not. Number one, if they are healthy, they have no flu-like symptoms, then they should go. Unless, again, there is a local health advisory. We're talking about Salatul Jum'ah. Because with regards to the daily prayers, it's a lot more flexible because the majority of scholars didn't consider that it obligatory. They didn't consider it obligatory for a person to have to go to pray them in the masjid. But with regards to Salatul Jum'ah, unless there's the local health advisory, then they should go. What if they are elderly, people who are high risk, people who have chronic disease? Then they should speak to their primary care taker, their primary care physician, their doctor, because there are more concessions allowed for them. As for someone who has flu-like symptoms, if a person has flu-like symptoms, then they should avoid going to the masjid. Why? Because the Prophet ﷺ, he said that let them avoid going to the masjid, whoever has eaten onions or garlic. And undoubtedly, the harm that would come from a person having flu-like symptoms is greater than the harm of a person going to the masjid, for example, with regards to the smell of onions or garlic.
Subscribe to this channel, share this video, and click on the bell icon so that you can be notified with every new video at Faith IQ. Jazakumullah khairan. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.